this one, oh man, on the next level. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of PV Crazy for Food. I am visiting Wendy's. It's a fast food restaurant in Brampton. So let's go in and order some burgers and homemade chili, and let's do the food review. I have ordered a meal. Well, this is the spicy chicken sandwich. Comes with Coke and fries. So let's dig in and taste. Well, they put a tomato, lettuce, one spicy chicken patty, small, and then nothing at the bottom. No onions. But the thing is, I have tried their chicken before, and their spicy chicken burger is good. Like their patty is good. The fries are a bit different than McDonald's fries, much more crispier and a little bit thicker than McDonald's. The spicy patty is really good. Another very popular thing that Wendy's is famous for is their spicy chili. I ordered a small portion of it. This one has beef in it. The taste is really good. The beef is cooked really well. It has, you can see kidney beans in it, some capsicum. So this one is really hearty meal, really hearty. This chili was so good. I finished this. This chili is always good at Wendy's. I've ordered one hamburger. This is a beef burger. So let's open it up. Hot. There you go. There you see. 2 beef patties, lettuce, some mayo. Oh, onion is there this time, and tomato. Well, their bun is really soft. Cheers, guys. This one is so good. The beef patty is so juicy, man. Loved their beef patty. So good. This one is not spicy, but the beef patty is so soft, so juicy, just melts in your mouth. It gives a nice taste. Their signature is basically beef patty, but their spicy chicken sandwich is also good. So I'm done with the food. The chili is really good. And their cheeseburger, regular cheeseburger with beef patty, man, their beef patty was delicious. Very nice, very soft, very tasty, very flavorful, very juicy, and fries were also good. Well, this is a fast food chain, so everything is like machine made and factory made. Overall, the food was not disappointing. Overall, I spent all in all around $40 because my kids are also there with me. I would score Wendy's food 5 out of 10. That would be my score for Wendy's restaurant here in Brampton. Well, you know what? The restaurant upkeep is also really good. The tables are nice and clean. I saw the lady cleaning the tables. So it's nice upkeep of the restaurant also. It's Wendy's. It's 5 out of 10 would be my score for Wendy's. So thanks for joining, guys. PV Crazy for Food. See you next video. Take care. Bye.